Hey there YouTube fans, how you going? I'm using a little GoPro 5 and got the mic adapter with my favorite mic. Right, isn't it a great thing when you wake up? I'm 144 kilos, therefore I've lost a kilo. It says that my muscle percentage is higher at about 29.5, something like that. And the blood sugar was fantastic at 5.4 in the Australian standard, and the blood pressure was 142/92, which I consider for me very, very good. That's great. Being active, although I'm paying for it today because I have chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, being active with motorcycle riding and fishing and trying to fix the motorbike and that yesterday has helped me to lose weight. Although, as I said, I'm paying for it today. I'm looking forward to doing some recordings on the GoPro on the motorbike. I'm just waiting for the housing for the GoPro 5 that I'm recording on now. I got it secondhand, and I can't do anything without the housing. So it didn't come with one. They sold it at a discounted price because of that. All right, so I'll see you in the future. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Things are going good, thank God, touch wood. And I'll see you in the next one. Teacher Sal out. GoPro 5, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.